Now there will be different possibilities for the values of A, B and C that we'll have to explore for each of the given three cases, and then we'll look at the common set of solution. So the values of A, B and C, these are three numbers. Okay. Now first case, I'll consider this. Their HCF is 9. So I'll assume A as 9x and B as 9y. So their HCF is 9. Since their LCM is 270, so I can say 9xy is equal to 270. So x into y is 30. So x and y should be two co-prime numbers. So they can be 1 or 30, 2 or 15, 3 or 10, and they can be 5 or 6 respectively, or vice versa. Fine. So this can be in any order, the values of x or y. So from here, the values of A and B can be, so if x and y are 1 and 30, so the values can be 9, 270, right? If the values are 2 and 15, so it can be 18, 135. It can be in any order. The other scenario can be 27, 90 if the values of x and y are 3 and 10. And if they are 5 and 6, it will be 45 and 54 in any order. These are for the values of A and B. Okay. Now, for the values of A and C, for the values of A and C, their LCM is 9. So they can be 9x and 9y once again, such that their LCM is 90, so I can say that 9xy is equal to 90. So here xy is equal to 10. So x and y can be either 1 and 10 or 2 and 5. So if I talk about values of A and C, so the values can be 9 and 90, okay, or it can be 18 or 45, right? So I look at the common set of solution. So 9 is common here. Okay. 90 is common here. 18 is common here. 45 is common here. Up till now, I can keep any of these values. Okay. Now the deciding factor will be the last thing, B and C. So their LCM is 54 and HCF is 18. So HCF is 18. So I can say 18xy is equal to 54. So xy is equal to 3. So x and y can be 1 or 3. Okay. So the values will be 18 and 54. Okay. So 18 should be common here, and 54 should be common in the other case, right? So let's check. So I don't have 54 here when I'm looking at A and C, so I can check that only 18 is common and 54 is common there. Okay, so I can say that the value of A, the value of A will be equal to 1845. So B and C and A and C. So here 18 is common, and between AC and AB, I have 45 common. So 54 remove करना पड़ेगा. Third value. Okay. So obviously one of the values will be 18, right? So in BC and AC, so 18 is common. So I can say that the value of C will be equal to 18. Okay. The value of B will be equal to 54. And here, if 54, B is equal to 54, then A will be equal to 45. So these are the three numbers. Now you can add them and get the answer. So 99 and 18 is 117. So 117, that is option B, will be the sum of these three numbers.